it again. In this video, I will teach you how to set up your Facebook tracking pixel and your Facebook conversion pixel. So let's get to it. So in this particular tutorial, we will set up a pixel on a Clickfunnels based landing page. So you could, if you've got a WordPress based website or whatever, Wix or whatever, the principle is always the same. Generally, you take the pixel, you put it in the header. So that might sound a bit technical, but we'll look into it. I think if you use Clickfunnels, it will be very easy. So this is the landing page, and I'm going to open that in Clickfunnels. So this is the funnel, it's already open here. So if I click on edit, I'll show you where to place the pixel and where to get it from. So let's just wait for that to open. So generally, if you go to settings and go to tracking code, you can put the pixel here, right? That's one way of doing it. And you need to go on each page and do exactly the same thing, right? So you go, so you open up each page, and then you click on settings, settings and tracking code, and you put it here, right, in the header. Or you could go to the funnel settings, so that's here. So then you would copy and paste your code in this box here. Right, and then as soon as you've pasted it, you will save and update. So now, where do you get your Facebook tracking code? So I would assume you have already created your ads account. So if you go to Ads Manager, All Tools, you come to Pixels. So generally, if it's a fresh account, it will give you like a prompt to set up your new pixel. You just set it up. There's nothing much you need to choose or do there. Just, follow, just press next, like we say. So, so here I've already, set up this pixel before. So I'll just pick up the same existing pixel and drop it there just for you to see. So let me just go and I'm trying to find this pixel here. Not sure what's not showing me. Let's see, click on details. Here you go. So this is the button. So maybe for you, when the first time, if you just created the account, you will see it. You will see the pixel right away, but here I had to click a few buttons to get to it. So then what I'm going to do is manually install the code myself. So this is the actual pixel. Copy the entire code and paste it in the website header. So we're going to copy this, right, and paste it in the header here. So I think I've got an old pixel here, so I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to click on paste. What we need to pay attention to is the pixel code, the pixel ID number, whatever that is. So let's have a look. I don't want this to be green. I can close this. So the pixel ID ends with 9890. So after installing the pixel, I want to check if the pixel has been installed properly. So what I would do is take this page and go to Chrome, and on Google Chrome I've got a nifty tool called Facebook Pixel Helper installed. You see it here, right? So it's very simple. You probably need to install that, or you will need to install that to be able to test if your pixels are properly installed. So you just go on Google and type Facebook Pixel Helper, and it's an extension for Chrome. So you Google it and then you just install it. I think that's the one. Let's type Chrome extension. There you go. I'm trying to find the link to install it for you directly, but it could be, let's see, a bit deeper. Here you go, so you can download it here. If you click on download, it's gonna install it on Chrome directly, right? So yeah, it's called Facebook Pixel Helper. Google it, and it only works on Chrome, right? So here, if the pixel is loading properly, it's going to be blue. And if you click on it, it's going to give you the pixel ID as well. So I just changed the pixel, and the pixel ID ends with 9890. That's exactly what we just installed. Now, the most important part of this, we need to install, especially when we're doing conversion, like we've got landing pages where we want a conversion. What I need to see is the conversion page, the thank you page, right? So what I'll do, I'll just opt in and get to the thank you page link, which would be my conversion page. So my conversion page is literally nobsleadgen/thing-u. So that is my conversion link, right? So what I would do is create a conversion pixel in my account. So I say create custom conversion, and I call it no BS opt-in, and category, it's a lead. Value for tracking purposes, I just make it 1, and the URL contains this link, right? So that's it. Or I could also put this, like /thank you. That works as well. So I put both because, you know, sometimes, because this is dynamic, like there's so many gibberish in front of it, so sometimes Facebook doesn't recognize that, the whole URL. So it helps to have both, right? So that's done. So what I've just done now is I've added the pixel to the funnel. You know, it sounds very complicated, like people say, you know, but tracking pixels and all that. We just did it. So you copy the pixel, you go to your funnel, you find that box and you put it in there, and you're done. That's first thing. You know, put the pixel in there. Second thing is you need to create your conversion pixel, because we are going, ultimately, if you're running, you have a landing page, you have a webinar funnel, you want conversions. So we are going to run a conversion campaign, right? So what we've done is we've installed the pixel, and then we've created a custom conversion for that as well. So we set now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create an ad, and then how to set up the ad in an actual, for this particular campaign. Okay, see you in a bit.